Hi, it's Marilyn here in Glastonbury. Today a little bit about some of the features that the companies are including in their sewing machines, and they're getting more affordable every day. Some of the favorite features of the sewers nowadays, I want to mention speed control. So you have the ability to slow the machine down or speed it up with the touch of a finger. This makes it easy for you to zoom along when you want to or take more control when you need to. Threading. Nowadays the machines don't have any eyes to thread. Everything is what we call lay-in, starting from the spool of thread all the way across, up and down, and all you're doing is laying the thread in the little slot. You don't have to thread anything, don't have to strain your eyes. All the way down to the needle threader. Today's machines are equipped with needle threaders that are reliable, easy to use, and make it much more satisfying when you have to change the color of your thread. Do only one. You have the ability to select one of your stitches and only repeat the pattern one time. In addition, we have the needle up and down. This takes the place of turning the machine with your hand wheel. All you do is push the button and the needle goes automatically down. The highlight nowadays is the automatic thread cutter. Here you see it with a picture of a scissors. All you do is push the button, cuts the thread, makes it the right size so you can start again immediately. This particular machine comes with an extended table. Again, a nice feature. Lots of machines, they are accessories. This particular machine happens to come with one. So you don't have to break the bank to get yourself a new machine with the greatest features to help you sew every day.